Namaste, how are you guys? So, a lot of you were requesting me to do another day in my life vlog. So, here it is, and also there'll be a little twist to this vlog. I'm gonna test out a makeup product and its longevity. So, you'll get to see me do everything that I normally do throughout the day, but with makeup on. So, the makeup product that I'm gonna test in this video is the NYX or NYX makeup setting spray, and I have heard so much about this and how it makes your makeup last for 8 to 10 hours. To be honest, this is the first time that I'll be using it, so you'll get to see my first impressions. So like you guys can already see, I'm done with the base of my makeup, so I just have to do something to my eyes and lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that so you guys will see it, and then we'll go ahead and apply this. And I'll also show you guys how to apply this. So now without further ado, let's get started with this video.
The darkest hour, I wanna comfort you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do we go? In your head when in the real world is snow. I know how you hit the cold.
Okay, so we are done with the makeup and now it's time to apply the setting spray. Now before I apply this on my face, I'm gonna test it or swatch it on my hand first, and for that I just have applied a little bit of foundation here, so we can like even test if it's like smudging or not and all. So foundation is there, and now I'll just go ahead and spray this. Let it dry. I believe you should like swatch test each and every makeup that you get on your hand first, just to see, like, you know, before applying it on your face, just to see if you know, you have any allergic reactions to it or not. Okay, so it's dry now and I'm just gonna like rub it and see if it's smudging or not. See nothing on my hand. So yeah, also I really love NYX Professional Makeup because it's cruelty free, and this makeup setting spray has vegan formula. I cannot tell you guys how important it is to use a setting spray after doing your makeup. It will make your makeup last really long and it will make it look fresh. You don't have to touch up anything. It's like a perfect thing for a lazy girl like me, because I forget to touch up and then my makeup looks weird in videos and all. So ever since I've started using a setting spray, I have less things to worry about, and yeah, life is easier. Now let's go ahead and apply the NYX makeup setting spray. Also I'm using the dewy one because I have like dry skin, and this will just make my skin look well moisturized. And also, bonus tip, switch off your fans and do this. So let's go ahead and apply this. Also don't forget to close your eyes and mouth, and yeah, you don't want the makeup to go inside, so let's go ahead and do this. Now we'll just allow this to dry completely before opening our eyes. Okay, so just like that, we are finally done with our makeup, and yeah, my skin looks like super dewy right now and I'm loving it. So it's 11:04 right now, and I am planning to keep my makeup on till like 8 or 9 p.m. just to check and see if the setting spray does what it claims. So right now I'm planning to shoot some Instagram reels, and that too some dancing ones. So I think this will be a perfect test, like first test, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started with it. Okay guys, so we are done with the shoot. I got a lot of reels and a lot of pictures as well, and like you can see, my makeup is just like that, just the way I applied it, and I'm super happy about that. So yeah, I did a lot of dancing and all, and also there's a ring light here, so like there's heat, and it didn't melt, so I'm happy about that. Now I am super hungry. It's almost like 2:20, so I'm gonna go and cook some pasta because I'm like craving for pasta. So yeah, also I'm gonna cook with my makeup on, so this will be another test for the makeup. So let's go ahead and cook something. You guys, this looks so good. I just hope it tastes as good as it looks. It's hot right now. Super good. Great. So I'm gonna eat this, and no, I don't eat pasta for lunch every day. It was just because I was craving today. Anyway, I'll finish this off now and then see you guys after some time. You guys, it's 5:15 right now and I am just in shock right now because my makeup still looks the same and I ate and didn't even touch my lipstick yet. So like it's still there, like lipstick is still there. So I'm like super impressed with the spray so far. But right now my dad just asked me to go for grocery shopping with him and I obviously couldn't say no. I think this will be also a perfect way to test out the spray as well because we will be wearing a mask. So let's see if the spray survives the mask test. Anyway, so we'll go out and I just hope it doesn't rain and yeah, let's just go and get some food. Just when I was about to step out, it starts raining. Like, can you guys relate with this? I can't believe I'm actually going outside with this makeup on. Like, it's a lot for grocery shopping, but we're gonna test this out. So let's go. It's super hot and I don't know if my makeup will survive this heat. Okay guys, so I am back home and I am not sure if you guys can tell from looking at my face, it was like super hot. As soon as we step outside and if it's not raining, the weather is just like summer. Yeah. So yeah, I was sweating a lot under this mask and also generally on my face as well. Now the test comes. I am so sure the makeup has transferred to my mask, but let's see if it's still on my face, like, you know, just the way it should be. So I'm just gonna open this mask now. Hey, that's not bad. I'll just zoom this a little so you guys can see it clearly. Like you can see, I was sweating a lot, but the makeup is still there. Oh my god, I was sweating a lot, man. This is so surprising. And yeah, there is a little bit of makeup on my mask, but I guess that's okay. That was really expected because it's super hot outside right now if it's not raining. Also, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there was like literally no creasing at all and I am like super duper impressed with this. Like, my makeup is, I think, just the same, so it kind of passed the mask test as well. So now I'm just gonna chill and relax, do nothing at all, maybe read a book or play games on my phone. That's basically what I do all day long now, and I'll give you guys an update on 8. It's 6:44 right now, so let's wait till 8 PM and see if this spray actually does what it claims. Okay guys, so it's 8:15 right now and I cannot believe the NYX makeup setting spray has kept my makeup intact all day long. I swear on my mom, I didn't even touch up once, not even lipstick, and I ate and stuff, so lipstick should like fade away, but it didn't. So I'm like super impressed right now. Also, I would like to just add here that my makeup normally creases around my under eyes because of my dark circles and all, but it didn't happen today and I am super surprised about that. Like this actually did what it claimed and I'm impressed, bro. So safe to say NYX makeup setting spray is gonna be a part of my everyday makeup routine now, and the bottle is like travel friendly, so it won't take much space in my makeup pouch. Super happy about that as well. So that was it for this video. I really hope you guys had fun watching it, and don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if I should do more such like test, like wear test in the future, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.